Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how does Google Flights compare to Skyscanner right here for finding cheap flights, okay? As we all know, they both promise the best prices, but which one actually delivers, okay? Whether you're planning a spontaneous getaway or booking months in advance, knowing where to search can save you hundreds. So let's break it down, okay? First up, user experience. Google Flights right here is clean, lightning fast, and built right into the Google ecosystem. You can search with flexible dates, open-ended destinations, and explore by map. In short, it's pretty intuitive. Skyscanner, on the other hand, offers more filter options. I'm going to show you. Right here, as you can see in the left panel, we have all these filters. We have best, cheapest, like that, fastest. Okay. Right here, Skyscanner have Explore Everywhere and Multi-City Search. So in short, Google Flights right here is clean and fast, and Skyscanner is flexible plus feature-rich. Okay, now the big question, who finds the cheapest flights? Okay, so Google Flights right here pulls fares directly from airlines and OTAs. What I meant by OTAs is online travel agencies. But sometimes it doesn't show budget carriers like Ryanair or regional discounters, okay? Skyscanner taps into hundreds of travel sites and often finds ultra-low fares that Google Flights might miss, especially for international and budget routes. For example, okay, a quick search from New York to Barcelona showed about $370 on Skyscanner and $415 on Google Flights. Same dates, same route. Skyscanner right here sometimes shows prices from third-party sellers with added risk. For example, this one right here, as you can see, they have these partners. And Google Flights tend to stick with the official airline websites. So you trade a bit of saving for more reliability. So the point is, Skyscanner right here is cheaper or often cheaper, okay? And Google Flights right here is more trustworthy. So Google Flights doesn't sell flights directly, okay? It redirects you to the airline or OTA, which is usually more reliable and transparent. And Skyscanner, on the other hand, also redirects, okay? But here's the catch. Some of the cheapest fares come from lesser-known travel agencies, as I've shown you earlier, okay? That may charge hidden fees or have strict policies. Okay, to give you an example, you might find a $250 ticket on Skyscanner, but once redirected, you discover baggage isn't included, or the site adds a processing fee at checkout. So you can go ahead and pause the video and check the visual representation right here that I made. Okay, we have Google Flights in here on this side and Skyscanner in this side. Okay, now if you wanted the cheapest possible flight and don't mind comparing booking sites, Skyscanner is your go-to. But if you care about reliability, cleaner results, and better tracking, well, Google Flights might be the safer bet. Honestly, you can use both. Start with Google Flights to plan and track, then double-check Skyscanner before you book. Okay, that combo will going to save you hundreds over the years. Now, we do have videos on how to use the Skyscanner app and website. Also, we're going to make videos about Google Flights as well in the near future. So subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.